Completing squares. Find the vertex for the given parabola in standard form. Y equals to 2x squared minus 6x minus 5 and y equals to 2x squared plus 14x minus 10. So here we have a leading coefficient which is 2. Let us factor this out from the first two terms. What do we get? We get 2x squared minus 6 divided by 2 is 3, 3x minus 5. Let's keep 5 away for the time being, right? Next step is we have to do half of 3, the coefficient of x, right? And then add and subtract its square. So 3 by 2 is half of 3. Add and subtract its square. That gives us 3 by 2 square plus and minus 5. Now first three terms form perfect squares. So we get 2 times x minus 3 over 2 whole square, and we can square this. 3 squared is 9 and 2 squared is 4 minus 5. Let's open the bracket now. We get 2 times x minus 3 over 2 whole square minus 9 over minus, when you multiply by 2 we get 2 here, right? Minus 5. And let's combine the last two terms to get our answer. So 2 times 5 is 10 with minus sign, so we get minus 19 over 2. From here we know what the vertex is, right? So we can write down the vertex, which is v is equals to 3 over 2, and the value is minus 19 over 2 for y. And this is a parabola which opens upwards, correct? So this is a parabola which will open upwards, since this coefficient is positive, and therefore we do have a minimum in this case. So that gives us minimum. Now let's do the second one also, right? So we have y equals to, I'll factor out 2 first, which is x squared plus 7x minus 10. And then we have 2 times x squared plus 7x. And what is half of 7? 7 over 2, right? I was going to write 3.5. We could do that also. Minus 7 over 2 squared minus 10. And now first three terms become perfect squares, so we can write them as x plus 7 over 2 whole square minus 7 squared is 49 over 4 minus 10. Now let's open the bracket. You have to follow these steps to get perfect answer every time. 49 over 2 minus 10, and that gives you 2 times x plus 7 over 2 whole square minus, so this becomes minus 20, right? So minus 20 minus 49 gives you minus 69 over 2. And in this case, this is positive, so it opens upwards. So we have a minimum at vertex. Let me say vertex is minus 7 over 2, and this is minus 69 over 2, right? So minimum at the vertex, which is minus 7 over 2 minus 69. So it's kind of a parabola like this, where that is the vertex at x equals to minus 7 over 2 and y equals to minus 69 over 2, correct? So that is how we do completing the squares. I hope you understand the process. So next question, try to do it yourself. Thank you and all the best.